Hey guys, your boy RKO Adiso back with another iPad review. Now, today I'm going to discuss with you and find a solution to one of the common problems with many of the iOS devices, particularly the iPad and the iPhone. This is to do with the sound not working. Now, this happened to me and I have, in fact, fixed it. So I'm just here to share with you how you can do it to yours. Now, what you'll find is that when you go into your hotbar, you'll find that this slider toggle is not there. It's in fact disappeared and is blanked out. What you'll find here is that your sound will work with headphones in the headphone jack, but it won't work out loud. So a common example is if you play music from your iPad, the sound doesn't come out, but if you play it from your earphones, it does. Now, the problem with this, you may think, is the headphone jack and some things in there, so you decide to get it. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the case. You've been lied to. The actual problem is with the docking connector. What you'll find is that thin, delicate microfibers actually enter the docking port, and that hinders the sound, apparently. I'm not quite sure how, but what you'll need to do is you'll need to find any microfibers that are in there. You'll need to wipe out, first of all. And second of all, if that doesn't work, you will most probably need to dampen your docking connector with a bit of alcohol. That will help as a cleaning detergent and will, let's say, support the iPad in getting the sound back. I found this on a comment on the Apple website. It really helped me. I want to give a shout out to that guy. Sorry about that, guys. I had to sneeze. Yeah, T Colton 888. Yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to that guy. He really helps me a lot. So, yeah, that's really what I wanted to talk to you all today. I will be doing a Let's Play Tech It soon. I did promise this last video I did, but with homework I'm just so busy. So yeah, please like, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.